Model, 2016 Ford Ranger Wildtrak 4X4 Dcb Tdci. Body, white 4x4. Mileage, 111,977. Engine, 3198 cc 3.2200 PS Tdci. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Still pulls in every gear. If you didn't open the bonnet, you wouldn't know if anything was wrong with this. Starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. This is a really high-spec nice-looking Ranger, and once you sort the head gasket out, it will be a beauty. Grin. Features, part service history, reversing camera, electric windows, air con, cruise control, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £12,795. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0